Check this out. We've got a German vehicle with an oil leak. That never happens. And it looks like the oil pan's leaking right in this corner. Right here. Look at all that. It's all dripping there. So we're going to reseal the oil pan. I don't think there's anything wrong with the oil pan. I think it's just the gasket. And I did snug up the bolts the other day, but that obviously didn't help. So it's probably cracked right there. So let's pull that down. Now we'll let that drain. On this side we got some bolts we gotta take off, 16 millimeters. There's one more right behind there. I need a socket for that one. There you go. You don't have much room right here. Just use a ratchet wrench. Alright, and then you've got 10 millimeter bolts all around the perimeter. You gotta take those out. Try to get the difficult ones out first. You know how that goes. Yep, exactly. I dropped it. Oh, I got one out. So one of those came out. I'm just gonna put the drain plug back in. Put a new seal on the drain plug. That's what you want to do. Alright, that's good and tight. There we go, that's loose. Put that down, and then that's the last one right here. Alright. Put that down, the bolts fall down. There we go. Alright. Put the drain bucket under there. Yeah, it's cracked right there. Look at that. You can see the paper gasket is cracked. That's why it's a good idea not to use paper. Now, it could have cracked because I had to tighten it up the other day, or maybe it was just cracked and it just slowly started leaking. But I feel like this vehicle, we've had this vehicle for a couple of years now, and I don't remember it leaking really bad until this winter. Just use a scraper, scrape all the excess. Get as much off as you can. This looks pretty clean. Just clean it up with some brake parts cleaner. Alright, let's use a little brake parts cleaner. Try not to spray it inside the engine, especially not in the pump. Pretty good right there. Alright, let's use a razor blade to clean that up. Another thing you want to check is the screen for the oil pump. Make sure that looks good. Make sure there's nothing in that screen. Sometimes you get some RTV in that screen or some gunk, and it'll cause a oil pressure light to come on. Just using a razor blade, Scrape off any excess gasket. Just a little bit in the back. Here we go, the pan's all cleaned up. Just gonna wipe it down one last time. Brake parts cleaner and a clean rag. Alright, now I'm gonna use some RTV. I prefer to use the gray stuff. This is the black, but that's okay. And I have one of these tools. This actually works really well. If you do a lot of engine resealing, get one of these. If I can find it, I'll link it in the description. I'm just going to start in the corner and just do a small bead. Oops. I'm out of practice a little bit. And it's not too warm out, so just about 4 millimeters. Should be about 3 millimeters, but you can go a little bit extra. Where it splits right here, I'm going to do a little extra, because that's where there's some, that's where the gap is. Alright, let's see. I know there's a little bit of in between here, about halfway. And then right before I put the pan up, just want to, it is pretty dry, but just want to take a little break clean in the clean rag, just wipe it down again. A little drip right there. Just wipe it off. Just to make sure. Make sure that looks good. Everything looks dry. Just trying to make sure I don't hit anything. There we go. You can squish it around a little bit. And I'll get a couple of bolts started. So just go along, put all the bolts back in, get them snugged up first, and then we'll torque them. Alright, those are all in. Now I'm going to go back and torque them. I've let the RTV settle up a little bit, set up a little bit. Now you want to go alternate back and forth, starting in the middle, working your way out. You get the idea. Doing 132 inch-pounds or 11 foot-pounds. Alright, those are all tightened down. Now I got these other bolts to go through here. Put those on. These are all the same length. Doesn't matter. Put those back in. Right, it's tight. It's tight. That one's tight. Alright, that's good. There you go. I'll filter out. I do have a oil cooler that I gotta do, but I'm not doing that today. Alright, take a new filter, lubricate the seal. A little fresh oil on that. Just make sure the old gasket's not still up there. Put it up there the same way it came out. There we Alright. And just snug that up. Once it's snug, give it another half turn-ish. Somewhere around there. Wipe some of that oil off. Alright. Now let that cure if you need to. And add your oil. Should be good to go. Alright, so the oil leak's all fixed, but now I have this big stain in my driveway. What do you think? How should I fix this? I was thinking of putting down some sand. I heard maybe kitty litter. I was even thinking some Dawn dish soap, but what do you think?